In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Rocket Money step by step. Now, it's important to note right from the start that Rocket Money doesn't actually provide online banking services themselves. Rather, it's a powerful tool to help you manage your existing bank accounts all in one place, offering insights and tracking features to make managing your finance much easier. Let's begin by creating an account. To do this, head over to the Rocket Money website and look for the Sign Up or Create an Account option. Click on it and you'll be guided to enter some basic information, such as your email address and a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. After filling in the required fields, submit the form. You might need to verify your email address, so check your inbox for a verification email and follow the instructions provided. Once your account is set up, the next crucial step is to link your bank account to Rocket Money. This will allow the platform to access your banking information so it can help you manage your finances effectively. To do this, navigate to the Link Bank Account option within your newly created Rocket Money account. You'll typically need to provide your online banking credentials, so have your login details ready. This step is essential for Rocket Money to securely sync with your account and display all necessary financial data. Don't worry, Rocket Money prioritizes security, using encryption to protect your information. With your bank account connected, the following step is to set up a financial goal. Rocket Money is equipped with tools to help you with budgeting and goal setting, which can be a huge benefit if you're looking to save money or pay off a debt. To set a financial goal, navigate to the Financial Goals section within the app. There, you can define what your specific target is, be it saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or perhaps paying down student loans. Enter the amount you wish to save, and Rocket Money will calculate how much you need to set aside each month to reach your goal within your desired timeline. It even tracks your progress automatically, offering a visual representation of how close you are to achieving your target. Finally, take some time to explore the financial management features Rocket Money offers. The app can provide insights into your spending habits, categorize expenses, and offer suggestions on where you might cut back. It's like having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips. Dive into the app and look through its diverse dashboards and reports that give you a detailed view of your financial health. Whether it's tracking bills or adjusting your budget, Rocket Money provides you with all the necessary tools to ensure you're on top of your finances. By following these steps, you'll have Rocket Money set up and be well on your way to managing your finances more efficiently. Happy budgeting!